Hi, welcome. For me, when I receive an email and the text runs all over the screen, it's very difficult to read and frustrating. Also, it's tiring on the eyes, apparently. So the end in mind is to go from something like this, same content, to something like this. This is just more readable for me. As you can see, it's in a table, and I'll show you how to do this. Start in a blank email, click in the body, insert table, and it's just a one cell table. And here you can make the width whatever you want it to be, narrow or that wide or whatever. I just type something like this in here, and then I give the table a property, borders and shading, no borders and shading. Click OK and OK. So there's the table. Now I put it into quick parts in Outlook. Insert, quick part, and I say save selection to quick part gallery. And I can give it a name. So let's call it QQQQQ. And I click OK. If I want to use that quick part again, I can say QQQQ. It will pop up with the quick part name after the first four letters. Press enter, and there is my table. And the word here, I can then paste whatever I want in there. For example, if I go back to this email, I take the long text, copy that, go to my new table, double click and paste, and there you go. And you can also afterwards just highlight the table, and you can then make it even wider or narrower as you want. There you go. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope the people that receive your emails will also enjoy receiving more readable emails. Bye bye.